Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today I want to share the tutorials how to make a good ending on your video by CapCut on your iPhone. So here, let's have a check first how these videos end. Okay, and boom, this video just stopped right away. So let's make it like more fun and more dramatic by put a several effects on the last clip. So first thing, just make sure that this clip in active mode, and then after that we can click the animation. And now in means in here means that we will add an animation on the beginning of the clip. Out means we will add animation on the ending of the clip, and combo means that we want to add an animation between its start and the end of the clip. So since we want to make a good ending, just click out, and now we can choose how we want to end this video. For me, to make it like smooth and good, I want to have a fade out, and I'll just adjusting how many seconds I want this video or this clip being blurry until it's out from the frame, and then just click done. And now let's have a check how this video ends now. Okay, hold on, and boom, it slowly disappeared from the frame. It's more smooth compared to previous one. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe to this channel.